Good morning. Happy Monday, geometry students. Before I just go over this sheet quickly, this is going to be an easy sheet. You're only going to have to do like 5 problems here. I want to thank everybody for filling out the survey. You guys were awesome about your responses, and it's definitely going to affect how I do things. I want to tweak and just try to make this as, given the circumstances, as good and beneficial as possible. I mean, we have to do what we got to do, right, to get through the school year. So you guys are doing awesome, and I'm really proud of the way you guys have been working. Even if you've been behind, you've been trying to, do a couple assignments, and I really appreciate it. For the students that have been sort of working, right along and keeping up, you guys have been rock stars too, so good for you. Today's assignment is number 32, and the whole sheet is going to basically be about the angles of a triangle add to 180. So for number 3, you don't have to do 1 and 2, so they're crossed out. For number 3, I'm giving you the equation. And all you have to basically do is you have to copy this equation and you have to finish it. You have to solve it. Now they want the smallest angle, so I've even put an arrow next to this is the angle that you want to find, 3x. Okay? For number 4, you're going to copy this equation down. And there's the ratio, and that's where I came up with the equation. You're going to copy this, complete, find x. And then you have, for this one, you have to find the largest angle, which is 4x. For this one, there's the 3 angles, so I've added them up to 180. So I want you to copy this equation, solve for x. And this one wants the largest angle. So what I would do is once you find x, I would plug them back in and find out which one's the biggest one. So, just be careful when you answer this one. It might be not your initial whatever you find for x. Just be careful. They want the largest angle. For the next one, number 6, you're just finding x. So this one's pretty straightforward. Just copy this down, find x, and that'll be your answer, whatever choice it is. And then for number 7, some of you have some trouble which angle they're looking for. Angle JSM. JSM. So I want this angle right here. So that's the only, I'm not really giving you any hints here. Obviously, well, I guess I will give you hints. This is a 90. This is a 48. So what I would do, the first thing that I would do is I would look at this big triangle and 90 and 48, and I would find this third angle of the big triangle first. The other hint I will give you is these 2 angles have to make a linear pair. So this angle here has to be 180 minus 59. And that should give you that angle right there. So a couple steps you have to do. Okay? You guys are doing awesome. So just keep working, doing what you're doing. And what I'll probably do is I'll compile all the stuff from the survey. And I'll probably give you some feedback with that later on this week. Okay? Doing great. Have a great Monday, all right?